Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Actually, we're not going to talk about shaving today. We're going to talk about Jeeps. A Jeep Wrangler. If yours is manufactured before 2017, you don't have a reverse camera most likely. So when you put it in reverse, those super dim reverse lights light up just about nothing, and your brake lights do the same. I can't believe that the lights on those vehicles stock are so dim. I don't even know how they pass the transportation testing program. They're just super dim. So I'm going to do a really quick mod, install some LED lighting in the reverse or backup lights, and also the tail or stop lights, brake lights, and hopefully we will brighten these things up so you can actually see over your rear tire, in your mirrors, wherever you're looking, and hopefully see what's back there. If that area is well illuminated, you should be able to see in your rear view, in your side mirrors, over the back window without a reverse camera. Reverse camera is the best, but this will be a quick, easy, cheap alternative. Here's what the bulbs look like. They are LED and they are plug and play. Rear brake and tail lights. And these are the LEDs for the reverse backup lights. So it should be plug and play. All you do is remove the tail light assembly, the brake light assembly, pull out the bulb straight out, and just reinsert this one back in. Just click it right in. So let's go do it. Let's get to work. I'll get in the vehicle and I will step on the brake lights and I'll turn on the reverse lights just so you can see a before and after. You can do a comparison. All you need is a screwdriver to do this. Remove the two inside screws. Set those off to the side. Then just push the tail light toward the inside of the car, towards the spare tire, and it pulls right out. So you don't have to remove these two screws, just the inside ones. There's the tail light assembly. So the brake lights will be on top, and the reverse or backup lights will be on the bottom. Twist to the left, pull it out, pull the bulb straight out. There's no clips or anything, you just pull it straight out. Just make sure you got the right one. This is the brake or tail light. Take the new bulb, insert it into the slot, press straight down. That's it, till it clicks. Done. Reinsert it, turn to the right. Complete. Now the reverse or backup light, twist to the left, pull it out, pull the bulb out. This is the LED light bulb for the reverse or backup lights. Right into the slot, push it straight in till it clicks. Reinstall till it seats all the way down at the bottom, turn it to the right. Done, that's it. Before we close everything up, let's make sure it works. On the turn signal, I am getting the fast blink. We need to install the resistor, which I don't have. It's on the way. That will be a topic of another video, how to install the resistor, which is very easy. Reinstall the tail light assembly. Just push it in toward the inside, toward the spare tire. Reinstall the two screws. Let's see what they look like in the dark. Let's see what the passenger side looks like. We'll remove the passenger side, remove the inside screws. Pull it towards the spare tire, toward the inside. Comes right out. Tail light, brake light, twist to the left. Remove it. Pull the bulb out. Install the new LED bulb. Push it all the way in so it doesn't go any further. Reinstall. When it seats all the way to the plastic, turn to the right. Let's remove the reverse. Back up, twist to the left. Pull out the bulb. Install the LED. All the way down. Push it all the way down till it hits the plastic. Turn to the right. That's it. Reinstall. Make sure the assembly is pushed all the way to the right. Reinstall your screws. Voila. Let's check them out, see how they look. I'm back. So what do you think? Do you like it? Much brighter? Better? I think it is. Well improved, much easier to see what's behind you with these tricked out little LED lights. Modern technology is fantastic. Replacing those very dim stock bulbs, I think it's a great improvement. Not very expensive either. If you want to pick these up, just click down below the video where it says more or show more, and there will be a link right there. Just click on that. You can grab them right there. And you can pick these up and install them probably less than 10 minutes. Nice and easy. We like nice and easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it helped you, like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends, shaving and more. Almost 500 videos right now. Check them out. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.